Welcome to Dr. Sourav's classes. Today we are solving MMath paper MMA Solutions 2025, and here we are being giving the question. So it is a matrix question, question number 4. So we have to find out very easy rank, and we know we will use our favorite Gaussian elimination. So this is a matrix, and so we will start with given R1, R2, R3 and R4 we are given. Now we will first eliminate entry in row 2 using row 1. So that means row 2 will be R2 minus R1. So that is 1 minus 1, R2 minus R1, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 1 and 1 minus 0. Okay. So it will count to 0, 0, minus 1, 1. Now then my matrix becomes 1 0 1 0 0 0 minus 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. Okay. Now we will eliminate 4. So the next operation will be R4, that is R4 minus R3. So then it will become 0 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 1 minus 0. Okay. So 0 R4 minus. So now the matrix become 1 0 1 0 0 0 minus 1 0 0 1 1 0 and 0 1 1 minus 1, it becomes 0 already. 0 minus 1, it's minus 1, and 1 minus 0, it's 1. Okay. So now that row 2 and row 4 are now almost equal. So we remove one duplicate row. So finally the independent row will be 1 0 1 0 0 0 minus 1 1 and 0 1 1 0. So now there are three linearly independent rows. So the rank of the matrix is 3.